All right, you guys ready to get this going?
What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are out here at Supercell West in Colorado, and we've got the RTI ramp. We're going to be putting 20-30 Broncos up it, you know, hopefully getting some testosterone going, getting these guys to get up the ramp as much as they can. It's going to be a fun competition. It is 2 days, so we'll cover today, we'll cover tomorrow, and the winner's going to win $200. This is going to be a fun video, you know, a lot of good flex and shots. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you tune in. It's going to be fun. All right, so how about we kick this off, guys? What do you guys think of the new Bronco? Let's hear a hip if you guys are digging it. Got it? All right. 68.5 inches, all right. So, first place as of right now, we've got the Max Slider rig. Give it up for Chris.
First place!
All right, looks like Dusty is up. Everybody give it up for Dusty. 44?
125.
125!
44.
All right, we got 44 inches on the stock new Bronco.
I just want to say,
He just wants to say,
if I don't come in last place, whoever does owes me a beer.
if Dusty doesn't come in last place, the person that does owes him a beer. All right, looks like our man Chris Greenwood is going in the first edition Bronco.
$60
Look at that,
Wow.
wow.
Oh man, so tire size matters.
And that lift.
And that lift.
If you guys think the early Bronco's gonna win, make some noise. Here we go, Dave. Time to show out for the Bronco community, Dave. This is getting hairy. Here we go, Dave. All right, all right. Oh my gosh. I'm getting freaked out right now. Okay. Let's hear it for some of the, I don't even know what to call that, the hairiness. Oh my gosh. Definitely won the fastest time up the ramp. All these dudes being scared. All right, I believe this is our first modified wheelbase.
This is my favorite Bronco.
I'm thinking the top of the ramp, guys. What do you think? Oh my gosh. It's definitely not as tippy, but this is still sketchy. There you go. Everybody give it up for Larry. George wants to speak on the mic, everybody.
This is my second favorite.
This is George's second favorite. This is my boy Chris. I got to hang out with Chris on Sunday. He definitely knows the trails out here. Got me and the new Bronco through a lot of hairy situations. So I'm rooting for Chris. Chris, you're on your honeymoon. Don't wreck this. Look at the face of terror. I feel you. The myth, the legend, the cross-country maniac himself, Jay Patterson, in a uncut red Bronco. $111, does that take the win as of right now? First place? Rich, you're our party trick. We gotta go up a little higher. You're not going nowhere, trust me. It's okay, Rich. Most of this crowd didn't even want to come and do it. Everybody give it up for Rich for trying. Terry and Tanya. Tanya, how do we feel right now? You been in this situation before? She nods her head yes. Are you still nervous? Not at all. What a boss. I think you could go higher, Terry. What does everybody else think? Yeah, we want the carnage. This is insane. I gotta get more money and do something else with the pit bull. 162 for Terry and Tanya. All right, Terry, how was that? I think you showed everybody what an extended wheelbase modified Bronco could do.
I think we put on a good show. It works pretty good.
Would you have gone over if the pit bull wasn't in the way?
I might have. It would have been a little sketch.
That was awesome. Well, good show, man. Congratulations.
Thank
well,
you.
I don't know if any other more extended wheelbase guys are coming tomorrow, but right now, you're in the run-ins for $200, man. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys.
For sure,
Appreciate
man.
it.
And then Tanya coming in clutch. I don't know, man. I would be a little nervous in the passenger seat, but
Not with his driving skills.
She's been in this thing for a lot of years, and we've done some pretty gnarly stuff with this thing.
yeah,
She's
that'll
always
do
hung in
it.
there. She either rides or she spots me.
There you go.
So she
That's
knows what it'll
awesome.
do.
Heck
So,
yeah, man.
When
Well, cool.
When she gets out, that's when I get nervous.
Yeah. All right. We got our man Terry. No, Larry. This is so familiar. So Terry built this rig.
Yep, and he also worked on mine and built mine. He stretched it this winter. We added some wheelbase and added some travel in the front. Obviously, he doesn't add enough because
He did that on purpose, right?
But we get him on the trail. I'll drive circles around.
There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, we're here with Eric, who's in second place as of right now. Now we talked about unbolting a few things, maybe loosening some stuff to get a little more travel for tomorrow. What do you think? How much more do you think you need?
I think I can get a couple more. I'm hoping. You know, that was the first time I've done this with anybody else watching. So.
Hey, not bad. Alrighty, so we're here with Jay Patterson, who as of right now is in first place for the stock wheelbase, coming in at 111 inches, I believe. So that's pretty freaking impressive. What's the secret?
I think some of it
Guts?
is having the capability of knowing what your rig can do. It's very unnerving when you start going up a ramp. The 4-link obviously has made this a sleeper, and all the off-roading I've done, I've had it in pretty bad positions, and feeling comfortable is
Right,
the biggest thing,
100%.
being smooth.
Yeah, and what do you got, a 3.5, 4.5 inch lift?
3.5-inch lift with the Wild Horse 1-inch body lift.
There you go. So there you have it, guys. That was the RTI Ramp Challenge. Flex Ed with us in Helibad Broncos. We appreciate all of the vendors for coming out, throwing some stuff in the giveaway box. It's definitely a lot of fun. So glad that so many people came out and tuned in. I think it's something that we're gonna do next year. As of right now, Jay Patterson is in the first place with his stock wheelbase Bronco, and then we've got Terry in the extended wheelbase. So we're gonna be doing it tomorrow, day 4, and we'll see if anybody can take the podium away from them. What's happening, guys? It is day 4 of Supercell. It's already like 2 o'clock. We got Jesse here. It's kind of what we're doing right now is day 2 of Flex Ed, day 4 of Supercell. We've got one Bronco lined up right now, so we'll see how this goes here. I don't think we're gonna hype it up. I think we learned a few things about this event. This is our first time doing Flex Ed, but we still got to give a shot. We got to be men of our words and let these guys play around on the ramp. So we're gonna measure whoever comes up. We'll chill here for like 30 minutes, and then that'll be that. We may have a new winner, everybody. He may take the crown. I think he beat some of the extended wheelbase guys. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. I think that is a wrap to our first official Flex Ed. We're here with the winner, Justin, who got up 137 inches. How does that make you feel, being the winner?
Good, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the secret to getting up the ramp?
No secret, it's just by design, man.
There you go.
Good
There you
spot.
go.
But
I think you could have got all the way up to the top. Maybe not on all 4, but I don't think you were going anywhere on the. Yeah, that was sweet, man. Super sick run. You won $200, man. We appreciate you participating.